War criminal!
He had said you're the Department of War Crimes. Why did you order the bombing of the girls' school in Iran? Why have you been the illegal attacks that have been killing fishermen in the Caribbean and Pacific? Why are you continuing this war? You deserve to be arrested.
You will be tried.
Be arrested.
Have you no shame?
You deserve.
You are a war criminal, and you will be tried. You should be disgusted with yourself. How many American service members have to die for Israel? How many Iranian schoolgirls have to die for Israel?
We're outside the Armed Services Committee where Secretary of War Crimes is going to be asking Congress for $1.5 trillion for a Department of War budget, when instead Congress should be asking him about his war crimes. Why did he target the girls' school in Iran on the first day of this illegal Iran war, killing over 150 people? What was the use of AI in this targeting? Why did he order the dropping of bombs on boats in the Pacific and the Caribbean, killing over 150 people? They should be calling for his arrest, not fast-tracking more money for these war crimes. He should be arrested, not platformed in this building in Congress for more money.